Hey you guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna be teaming up with some friends at Events with Cars, and we're checking out a 1957 convertible Chevy Bel Air that's been fully restored. I'm really excited about this one, so let's go check it out.
Hey, my name is James and I run a YouTube channel called Auto Amateur. Now, if you've ever seen any of my videos, you know that it's just Porsche, Porsche, Porsche. In fact, I'm driving a Porsche 911 right now. But today is a little different. I am shooting a video for Events with Cars. I'm very flattered to have been asked to shoot this video. And we are shooting a 1957 convertible Chevy in mint condition, or at least so it looks like from the photos I've seen. I'm really excited. Being a Brit here in the United States, shooting a vintage American car like that, I mean, I can't think of many other cars I would get super excited about. Probably some kind of muscle cars, but I'm really excited about this video. So let's go check out the car, and we're gonna meet the owner, and we're just gonna have some fun. So let's go do it.
Hey guys, so here I am in Rogers, Minnesota, at this car enthusiast's house. His name is Dave, and he has three beautiful vintage cars here. Behind me is a 63 Chevy Impala. Behind that, the purple car is the 57 Bel Air, Chevy Bel Air. And then behind that is a 1934 Ford. Now that has a fiberglass exterior and it's been refurbished, but still, having three cars like that in your garage, wow. Absolutely living the dream. Now, over the past couple of years, Dave has completely refurbished and remade the 57 Bel Air. It has a custom paint job. It has a Morris chassis, I believe. It has a whole new suspension. He's redone the engine, brand new leather seats. I mean, a lot of the original equipment and the original finishing, had to be replaced. But it now is just in absolutely mint condition. And he gets to take it out every weekend with his wife. Doesn't necessarily take it to a lot of car shows. He just has it for himself. And I think that is so cool. I know I do love going to the car shows. But to have a passion like this, and to have something to take you away from your day job and to just really love and enjoy just for you. I think it's absolutely fantastic, and this is what I hope for myself one day. A garage that's sort of detached from the house, close enough to the family, but a place where I can just sort of go and tinker with my cars. And he absolutely has it going on here. Here is the Chevy Impala behind me. I mean, what can you say? Chevy Impala. I mean, you look at the Impalas that they make these days, and they just look like the average sort of run-of-the-mill, sort of like family sedan. This is when Impalas were super, super cool. Look at that color. The rims on it are beautiful, absolutely fantastic. And we look here in Dave's garage. He's got a lift. He's got enough space for all of his cars. It's just an absolutely fantastic setup here. So we go outside and take a look at the Bel Air. You're in for a treat. You are absolutely in for a treat. Let's go take a look here. And have you noticed what's really fantastic? We have a matching golf cart, which looks almost identical to the Bel Air. So if Dave gets fed up with his, maybe the wife can take this one, Dave can take the golf course, the golf cart. Maybe he'll let me drive that one, I'm not sure. But here we are, the 57 Bel Air. The finish on it is just absolutely tremendous. The wheels, absolutely beautiful chrome hubcaps. The attention to detail is really, really quite impressive. The leather seats, beautiful condition. We got the top down here. You should hear this thing when it gets started up. Just absolutely phenomenal sound. We took it out for a spin. It drives beautifully. It's everything a vintage car collector would want. So that's it for another episode of Auto Amateur. This time it's been a little different. I hope you've enjoyed it. We have these three beautiful vintage cars. I have to say I'm very, very flattered that Eventswithcars asked me to make this video. I'm gonna go away now to the editing room. I've got a ton of footage to start putting together. If you check out their website, eventswithcars.com, hopefully this video will be going up there soon. Lots more content in the works. Of course, got to stay true to the channel and the Porsche content, but we've got a lot more exciting things to come. So stay tuned. Thanks as ever for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.